Breathe life into your writing, mastering personification. Hello, passionate writers and English learners. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of personification. We're not just learning about personification, but we'll also be creating original examples of it. Remember, personification is a powerful tool that gives life and human attributes to inanimate objects or abstract concepts. Ready to animate your language? Let's get started. Before we start creating, it's important to truly understand what personification is. It's a type of figurative language that endows non-human subjects with human characteristics. This could be anything from a physical action, emotional feeling, or a thought that we typically associate with humans. For example, the wind whistled through the trees. Here, the wind, which cannot literally whistle, is given a human action, creating a more vivid image in the reader's mind. Now, why use personification? Well, personification brings your writing to life by creating images that engage the reader's imagination and emotions. It adds depth and energy to descriptions that might otherwise be flat or dull. It's a simple yet powerful way to make your writing more compelling and relatable. Let's get to the fun part, creating original personification. Here's a simple 3-step process. 1. Identify. Start by choosing an inanimate object or abstract concept you want to write about. 2. Attribute. Think of a human action, emotion, or thought that you can associate with your subject. 3. Create. Combine your subject and human attribute in a creative and meaningful way. Remember, the goal is to add depth, emotion, or vividness to your writing. For example, let's say we've chosen mountains as our subject and watching as the human attribute. We could create the personification. The mountains watched over the valley like ancient guardians. Practice is key to mastering personification. Try writing a few sentences each day using this technique, focusing on different objects or concepts. With time, personification will become second nature to your writing. Here's a quick prompt to get you started. Describe a sunset using personification. And that's how you breathe life into your writing with personification. Remember, creativity has no boundaries. Don't be afraid to explore new ways to use this exciting technique in your writing. I hope this video has illuminated the art of personification for you, and I can't wait to see what vibrant, living scenes you paint with your words. Until next time, keep writing and keep learning.